Hello students. Today we are going to learn about collocations. Collocations are a group of two or more words that are frequently used together. These group of words have been in use for a very long time, which is why they sound natural when placed together. Here is an example to help you understand. The term fast food is commonly used to refer to a specific category of food. It is food that we get fast. Synonyms of fast food include words like swift, quick, speedy, etc. But if we replace the word fast with the term fast food with such synonyms, the term doesn't sound right anymore. Listen for youngsters: swift food, quick food, speedy food. They might all still make grammatical sense, but the reason they sound wrong is because the fast food has been used for so long by so many people, it has become the correct term by default. Collocations are important for you to know and learn because when you use them, you will sound more natural and your language will be richer and more expressive. However, they usually do not follow any particular grammatical structure or logic, which is why when we learn collocations, we must learn the group of words as single unit instead of looking at what each word means individually. This is why, even though heavy and strong roughly means the same thing, when it comes to rains and wind, we say heavy rains and strong winds, never strong rains and heavy winds. The second set doesn't sound natural at all. Now that we have understood what collocations are, let us see how to form them. Remember that collocations are not formed using a set of formula in the way verbs are conjugated into tenses and how plurals are derived. The easiest way to identify the structure of collocations is to see which part of speech make them up. Collocations can be formed by the combination of an adverb and an adjective, such as completely satisfied, blissfully ignorant, fully aware, etc. Collocations can also be formed by combining adjectives and nouns. So we get excruciating pain, scenic view, incurable optimism, etc. A third way of forming collocations is by use of two nouns. Examples of this method are round of applause, room for improvement, study hall, and so on. Another way of forming collocations is by combining a noun and a verb. Some nouns go together with specific verbs only in a given context, which is what makes them collocations. For example, a lion's roar, a plane takes off, snow falls. Different collocations can be formed by swapping the position of the noun and the verb. However, collocations made in the noun plus verb construction are not the same in the usage of meaning as the verb plus noun construction. Examples of this form of collocations are make money, have a talk, take a walk, make one's way, and so on. Finally, collocations can be formed using the combination of verb and expression with a preposition. Examples of these structures are burst into tears, run out of time, caught onto the joke, etc. Now let us see some common collocations derived from commonly used verbs. Verbs like have, do, make, take, break, catch, etc. can be used to make many everyday collocations. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to have. Have a bath, have a good time, have sympathy, have a problem. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to do. Do someone a favor. Do the shopping. Do the homework. Do one's hair. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to make. Make a mess. Make noise. Make room. Make a mistake. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to take. Take care. Take a chance. Take someone's temperature. Take rest. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to break. Break even. Break a leg. Break the law. Break a record. Here is a list of collocations using the verb to catch. Catch a cold. Catch a bus. Catch someone's eye. Catch fire. With this we conclude the lesson on collocations.